everybody, my name is Bill and this is SixRounds Studio. Today I'm looking at this Springfield Armory Garrison that I'm planning to do the full custom on over the next several months. And I thought it would be fun just to take it down to the range and see how it functions out of the box, see how it shoots out of the box, see how well I can shoot it out of the box. So let's take a few rounds with this. Okay, opinion? She shoots good. I like. Splatter. All right, so this video is a little bit about 1911s. Matter of fact, this video is a lot about 1911s, but it's not just about this Garrison. Not often that I get to go back and see some of the projects that I've worked on in the past. But in this case, I've got one coming up here next week. One of the earliest videos, matter of fact, it's the second video that I ever put up on the channel when I started it 6 years ago, had to do with building a set of custom grips for a Ruger 1911 for a guy. I spoke to the owner and the client, and he's more than willing to take his 1911 with those custom grips to the range, and we're gonna actually get some time at the range shooting that pistol, shooting that 1911. Now, Jeff's an interesting guy. He's a filmmaker. He's the former editor of two magazines, two very popular magazines. So unlike sort of this perception that everybody in publishing or filmmaking is anti-gun, Jeff is not that guy. So we're going to introduce you to Jeff. I'm going to let him talk a little bit about his story. Now, if we can, we're going to get his wife to the range with us and shoot, because the story goes that she's a much better shot than Jeff. So maybe we can get her to outshoot him, or maybe outshoot all of us. Anyway, short video this time, guys, because I'm kind of excited about getting to see a project that I did 6 years ago, and get to see how it's weathered, how it's held up, and get to show it to all of you, because I know a lot of you weren't here back in the beginning. If you want to go and see those videos, I'll put a link. I'll put a link up here, I guess, or up here, and also it's all you have to do is go to the very bottom of my YouTube channel, and you'll see, I think there's 3 or 4 videos of me building the grips. I had to build some jigs and fixtures to do that. So fun videos, fun project back when I did it. And like I said, it was the early days of SixRounds Studio on YouTube. Guys, if you enjoyed this, and I hope you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We do a lot of this stuff. If you want to see more of this, just come on back. And guys, I will see you in the next video. This Garrison's pretty sweet. If you want to see more of this gun, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because in a future video we are going to start dismantling this and doing all the custom work that we think we want to do with it. Action wise, I'm not sure it's going to need much, but yeah, this is nice. I'll see you guys in a future video.